首先係最新一節風暴消息。8號西北烈風或暴風信號生效，喺晚上11點，超強颱風華加莎集結喺香港之東南大約220公里，即係北緯20.9度、東經115.6度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約22公里，靠近珠江口至廣東西部沿岸一帶。按照現時預測，超強颱風華加莎會喺星期三早上最接近本港，喺本港南面100公里左右掠過。預料佢嘅颶風區會逐漸接近本港，本港晚間風力會進一步上升。天文台會考慮喺星期三凌晨1點至3點之間改發9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號。市民請密切留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息，並完成所有預防措施。華加莎環流廣闊，風勢猛烈，預料晚間天氣會急速轉壞。聽日天氣持續惡劣，有頻密狂風大驟雨同雷暴，海有極巨浪同湧浪，岸邊會出現越堤浪。東面同南面嘅海岸尤其顯著，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。受顯著風暴潮影響，聽日本港沿岸增水可以達到大約2米，預計水位早上大約6點之後開始上升，並喺早上較後時間至下晝初時達至最高，普遍可以達到海圖基準面以上大約3.5米至4米，而吐露港嘅水位更加可能高達海圖基準面以上4米至5米。喺過去1個鐘，大老山、橫瀾島同青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時92、76同67公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時116、92同82公里。
The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal is in force. At 11 p.m., Super Typhoon Regassa was centered about 220 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 20.9 degrees north, 115.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 22 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, to the coast of western Guangdong. According to the present forecast, Super Typhoon Regassa will be closest to Hong Kong on Wednesday morning, skirting around 100 kilometers to the south of the territory. Its hurricane-force winds are expected to edge close to Hong Kong gradually. Local winds will strengthen further overnight. The observatory will consider issuing the increasing gale or storm signal, number 9, between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. on Wednesday. Members of the public, please pay close attention to the latest weather information from the observatory and complete all precautionary measures. Regassa has an extensive circulation, along with fierce winds. The weather is expected to deteriorate rapidly overnight. It will be persistently adverse tomorrow, with frequent heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be phenomenal with swells and overtopping waves over the shoreline, which will be particularly significant along the eastern and southern coasts. Members of the public should stay away from the shoreline and not engage in water sports. Under the influence of significant storm surge, the rise in water level can reach around 2 meters over the coast of Hong Kong tomorrow. The water level will start to rise after around 6 a.m. in the morning. It will reach the maximum later in the morning to early afternoon, generally to around 3.5 to 4 meters above chart datum. The water level at Tolo Harbour may even reach 4 to 5 meters above chart datum. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Ken, Waglan Island and Green Island were 92, 76, and 67 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 116, 92, and 82 kilometers per hour respectively.